Hello everyone, today we've got here Motorola Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select wallpaper right here, and at first you need to pick actually the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. It can be one from live wallpapers, something from your own photos, or one photo picture from wallpaper and style album, whatever you prefer. I'll go with third option here. So now just mark home screen, as we want to change home screen wallpaper. Mark more wallpapers to see them all. Here you've got all the albums. You can also go to live wallpapers here, but let me go with cityscapes. Now you can mark it and see how it looks. As you can see, you can customize it a bit, change the layout. If you don't like it, just go back and pick another one. And once the preferred one is selected, I'll go with this one. Mark set wallpaper. So as you can see, now you can also decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. I'll go with both. And that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.